Wagon time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1976 Buick Century Custom Wagon with the third seat option. So you do have the third row seating in the rear of this one. Powered by the 350 V8 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a automatic transmission. It would be the TH350 or Turbo Hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Originally a Liberty White vehicle, of course, the 1976 paint options had some patriotic paint colors, and this one would be Liberty White with the wood grain, of course, on it. Appears that it has had a repaint along the way. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Odometer on this one reads 49,000 and some odd miles. Believe that may be 149,000 on it. Power steering, power brakes, AC equipped car. AC does blow cold on this one also. And as you can see, red vinyl interior. Yes, it does have the dash pad on it, as you can see. And take a look at the pictures. It does have some cracking of the dash, and you will see that in the still pictures. Make you aware of it. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see by the kind of the vinyl wood grain on it or what have you, that does appear to be original on this car. You can see some kind of cracking on the passenger door. Of course, your third row seat back here, luggage rack. Take a look at the rear chrome bumper. This particular vehicle came to us from the state of Iowa. Filler panels appear to be in good shape back here. Once again, still pictures. Take a look at the underside, interior, engine bay, and we'll start it up here in a bit so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay also. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And there are some imperfections that have been touched up. I mean, with the age and the miles, kind of what you'd expect on this one. But hey, how many Century Custom wagons with that third row seat do you see around? Let alone a 1976 Buick. Rear seating area is in nice shape, and again, check those out in the still pictures. All right, let's take a peek at the interior of this car. We do have some fading on the red interior, which is quite common from the 70s and 80s. GM red and blue carpeting. There you can see the seats appear to be the original seats, pretty much free of rips, tears, and holes from what I've noticed. But again, check out those still pictures. I mentioned the dash, so we got that. Let's go ahead and... All right, let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. There you go. I have had the wipers working, did not have the radio work. It does have a little Pioneer aftermarket radio in it. But like I said, the AC will kick on and will freeze you out of here. That is on max right there. And high fan speed. And it is cold already. It gets cold in a hurry. I'm going to click that back off. And once again, check out the still pictures. Yes, there's cracks under here. Not hiding anything. Nice, smooth running 350. Sounds good. Headliner good in it. Slip around to the back. Quiet exhaust. What you'd expect. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's open the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go. Take a look at the hood liner. Actually looks pretty darn clean. Here's that 350, again, power steering, power brakes. Appears it does have a newer water pump on it. HCI ignition. Again, AC all intact and blowing cold. Pretty clean, tidy bay, engine bay considering miles. Not a lot of corrosion underneath there. And you'll be able to see picture of the VIN, picture of the cow tag, all of that, along with this car in the still pictures. There you have it, 1976 Buick Century Custom Wagon, third row seating. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.